Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. And this time we'll check how to fix Roblox not installing your PC. So let's start. First tip I can give you is uninstall your Roblox on your PC. Then let's go to roblox.com and then select a game. Okay, so for example, let's press this one. Okay, so here appears that play. In case that you don't have Roblox installed on your computer, this will ask you the permission to install this. As you can see here, well, this is in Spanish, but here will appear download and install Roblox. So you can install Roblox from the website, and probably this will work for you, and maybe with this you can install Roblox without any problem. That's the first tip that I give you. The second tip that I can give you is install Roblox from Microsoft Store. So probably here you can find the Roblox app, and here you can download very easy, and it's secure for your account. So you have to write Roblox in the search, and here will appear. Just select the game and then select play or download. Then maybe the game will be installed in your computer and you can use this without any problem. So this is 2 tips that I can give you for solving the problem about Roblox. I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and give like to the video.